Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand pivoting the data in KNIME. For this, we will go in the KNIME Analytics platform. I'll activate input output from here. In that, I'll activate CSV reader as my data set is in CSV format. I'll double click on it, so I'll be in the position to browse my data set. Now I'll connect Heart1, press apply, click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now let us again right click on it and see the file table. You can see here that the age is a continuous variable, gender is categorical, male, female, chest pain type is a categorical variable, resting blood pressure is continuous, cholesterol is continuous, fasting blood sugar, though it is considered to be the continuous, but it is in 0 and 1, resting ECG, max HR, maximum hours, exercise, angina, old pig, ST slope, and heart disease. Now, what I want to do is I want to see is there any association between gender and the heart disease according to the age or not. So, sex is a categorical variable, heart disease is a categorical variable, and age is a continuous variable. Let us see the mean of the male who got the heart disease, who does not got the heart disease, female, mean age, those who got the heart disease and those who did not got the heart disease. Right? How we can do this? So for this, I'll activate pivoting from here. I'll double click on it, right click on it, configure. I'll transfer gender here. Pivoting is to be done according to the heart disease. Manual aggregation, which is to be done, is age, which is continuous variable. So I'll press OK. Right click on it and execute. I'll directly go on pivot table. Now what does it give me? Let's try to understand. This is the column for all the patients who is not having the heart disease. No, this is the column for all the patients who are having the heart disease. This is female row and this is male row. So female who did not got heart disease, their mean age is 51. Who got the heart disease, their mean age is 56. Similarly, male, those who did not got any heart disease, the mean age is 50, and who got the heart disease is 55.869. Now, is there any significant difference in their cholesterol levels or not? So again, I'll go and configure, and now I'll remove the age and introduce the cholesterol level inside, and we'll work on mean only. Click OK, right click on it, execute. Again, go in pivot table, and you will be in the position to see that all those who did not got the heart disease, their cholesterol level, those who got the heart disease, their cholesterol level. So female who does not got any heart disease, their mean cholesterol level is 247, and those who got the heart disease, their mean cholesterol level is 223. Similarly, male mean cholesterol is 216. Those who did not got heart disease, and those who got it, their mean cholesterol level is 170. So this is a way you can pivot the data in KNIME. For more videos on KNIME, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on KNIME. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button.